Good day, ladies and gents. Welcome to Baking Mathematics, where we are making you a math genius. Let's get on to this problem. This is set theorem. It reads: if U is the universal set, it is given as 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11. A is a subset: 1, 3, 7, 11. This is B, and this is C. Then we are asked to find Roman 1. A intercept B complement, Roman 2. A complement intercept B complement, and Roman 3 reads A complement union B complement. Now, before we start to solve this, let me just explain something before we start to solve this one. Now, in set theorem, we have what we call this symbol as I seen. We call it as the universal set. This is the universal. It is called the universal set, or sometimes this is how it is resembled like. Okay, it's also called the universal set. When we say universal set, this is the set that contains everything, all the elements that you are given. That's what we call it, the universal set. It is a set that contains all the elements that you are given. Then the next one, this n that you are seeing, we call it the intercept. This is the intercept. Okay, and intercept means it symbolizes that where the two sets meet. For instance, if you have a set, let's say a set is 1, 2, for example 3, and you have B set as 1, 1, 4, 3. Now, if you are asked to find A intercept B, just look at where the two sets meet. You can see it from this point. Don't allow someone to tell you anything. We know you have 1 here and 3. This is also 1 and 3 here on B set. So automatically we say 1, 3. It is our A intercept B because these are the two numbers that meet at a point. That's what we call intercept. What they have in common. Okay. Now, union meaning the combination. This is, we call it union, meaning the combination of the two sets that you are given. We combine them. For instance, if we are asked to find A union B, just combine them, but make sure you don't repeat two numbers at the same time. For instance, now we want to combine these two sets, A and B. Combine these two sets. You know you have 1, this is 1 also. You take 1. Don't combine them saying 1, 1. No. You take 2. Even though you have 3 here, you take 1, 3. Don't combine them. 3, and this is 4. So this is how union means. You combine the two sets, but make sure you don't repeat two numbers at the same time, and they must be in order, meaning you start from 1, 2, 3, 4 onto infinity. Then the next symbol, you will see something like apostrophe, like this. It means this is complement. This is complement. Okay, complement means what is in the universal set that is not in the particular set that you are given. Maybe you must have assigned to a particular set, so it means that particular set that you have been assigned to that is not in the universal set is what we call complement. For instance, let's say this is our universal set. For instance, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and you might ask to find a complement like this. Now, if you want to find a complement, it means what is in universal set that is not in A. Let's try to figure them out. What is inside this universal set that is not in A? That is 4 and 5, because they are in the universal set, but they are not in A. That is 4, 3. So this is our A complement. Similarly, if you want to find B complement, same thing implies what is in the universal set that is not in B set. Hope this one is clear. The next symbol, you will see something like this, or this is how it resembles like. This means empty set. We call it empty set. Empty set. It is a set that does not have any element. But remember, 0 is an element. Maybe sometimes you will say if you have maybe if you try to find A intercept B, maybe there are no a number that meets at a point, you will try to write 0. Maybe if you write 0, 0 is an element, so make sure you don't write 0. If it is not, if it's not seen, if you don't see any number, what I need to do, you just need to write this symbol or this, symbolize that it is an empty set. Okay, so if you have any question to ask, then you can ask in the comment section. I will respond. Now let's get on to the problem that we are asked to solve. Let's get on to the problem now. Okay, now the question reads, if U is the universal set, you are given, let's say, solution. Okay, now we are giving U as 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Then we are giving A as 1, 3, 7, 11. Then we are giving B. We are giving B as 3, 5, 7, 9. And the last one, C. We are giving C as 3, 7, 11. These are all subsets. Why we call them subsets? Because you can find them inside this universal set. And when we say universal set, like I said, universal set, this is a set that contains all these other elements that are seen. All these other elements that are seen, they are inside this set. So that's why we call A, B, and C are subsets. Now we have to find A intercept Roman 1. Roman 1, we have to find A intercept B complement. But here we don't have B complement. Let's try to find B complement. Find B complement first. Now I want to find B complement first. Like I said, finding B complement, just like what is inside the universal set that is not in B, that is 1 and 11. 1 and 11, they are not in B set. This is B set and this is the universal set. What is inside this that are not in B set? That is 1, 11. Now to find A intercept B complement, meaning this symbol, we already explained it. We combine the two sets. Let's combine them. Let's look at the points where they meet. Okay, this is A and this is B complement. Let's look at the points where they meet. If you look at this, they meet at 1 and they also meet at 11. So therefore, A intercept B complement meet at 1, 11 respectively. So this is our answer for Roman 1. If you have any question to ask, you can drop it in the comment section. Let's look at Roman 2. Let's look at Roman 2. Let's say this is Roman 2. Roman 2, we are asked to find A complement intercept B complement. A complement intercept B complement. But we already have B complement as 1, 11. Now let's find A complement. Find A complement. Now A complement becomes just like what I explained. What is inside this universal set that is not in A? That is 5. You have 5, 9. So these are the elements that are not in the universal set. But B complement, you already have in it as, let's look at it. You already have in B complement as 1, 11. You say 1, 11. But the question says we have to find A complement intercept B complement. Then, and we know what intercept means. Intercept means where the two numbers meet. If you look at this one, all these numbers did not meet at a point. So therefore, we say this is empty set. This is how to write it, or you write this symbol. This one symbolizes empty set. Okay, this is how to write it. It symbolize an empty set. Drop your questions in the comment section. Now we say Roman 3, the last one. We have to find A complement union B complement. This is what we are asked to find. Then we know union, we already explained it also. We combine the two sets. Combine the two sets, but we are not to repeat two numbers at the same time. What is A complement? This is 5, 9. What is B complement? 1, 11. Now let's combine them. We start from 1, 5, 9, and 11. Okay, so this is what we are asked to find for Roman 3. Okay, thank you for watching. Make sure you share, comment, like for everybody to benefit. Love you more.